Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of 649. We are now in week number 5, which I will be as brief as possible. So right now it's Saturday morning at about 11:20 in the morning. Beautiful sunny day here in Maine. It's cold out, but it's beautiful and sunny. And for those that follow the number of minutes we add, we're over 2 minutes of daylight we've had so far this season, since what I consider the dark period, kind of around Thanksgiving. So the week starts on Monday, February 13th, which it's Saturday right now. So if you have not been online or you're trying to get caught up, you still have a couple of days to do that. And then we'll get going on Monday in week number 5. And as you know, we have 14 weeks in the class. So week number 5, we're in the third of the course completed already, which is pretty amazing to me. Thank you for the effort you've put in so far. The discussions have been just fabulous. I've said that before. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just that everybody knows each other in this class, or they've taken classes with each other, but keep up the good work. So in order to try to be brief, I'll give you just a quick overview of what we're doing in week number 5, and I think it's pretty straightforward, and then a preview to week number 6. Week number 5 is the first week. We have weeks 5 through 10. We're going to be doing our module presentations, facilitations. So I'm going to click on week number 5. Right here you can see Amy's module. I'd like you to fully participate in this. This is the only thing I'm asking people to do this week. And it's really going to be well, it's not the only thing. I'll show you one other thing I'd like you to, it's on the horizon in just coming down the pike, but it's not this week. Step 1, step 2, step 3. These are questions once you get to take a look at the materials in here, you'll see that what Amy put together is fabulous, and it's a great start to the modules. So I'd like you to follow her presentations, her to-dos, read all of that materials, and then participate. So that is what the format is going to be for the next 5 weeks. We're going to be following the same format. Let me go back to the content area. This is week number 5, week number 6 and 7. Now I'm going to make this open for everybody. And this isn't something you need to do in weeks 5 or 6, but I'm just going to open it to make sure that you see that it's here for somebody that maybe we're at the end of week number 5 and want to get going on the discussion. But this discussion here is meant to be done in weeks 6 and 7. Let me go to module 2, which is next week. I'm going to make sure that this is available. Click on the 3 people. So once again, we're still in week number 4. Week number 5 is Amy, and then week number 6, we have Jamie, Danella, and Rachel. They're going to be facilitating our learning in that week. For these people, just so you know, these are created. These modules are created. It's available. If possible, I'd like you 3 to get any kind of learning organizer to do things. You might want us to watch a video, read an article, whatever it might be. Anything that you want us to do, you can please get it done by Wednesday. And as you can see, these have been created. You can do it at any time. So what that means to the class is that on Wednesday or maybe Thursday, just check in with module 6, week number 6 in the modules, and see if Jamie, Danella, or Rachel want us to do something in prep of their facilitation, which is coming up in week number 6 proper. Part of these are giving feedback. And I will send out an announcement. I don't want to muddy the waters at this point because it's something that is critical and integral to what we're doing in the modules. is giving feedback to the facilitator, the presenter. And this, I'd like to keep this as anonymous as possible, so I'd prefer not to use a discussion forum for that. So I will send out probably midweek to late week a way that I'd like you to give feedback to Amy, and then we'll use the same format for the remaining weeks, which we have 5 weeks of facilitation in the modules. So that is it for me. 5:25. That kind of has to be a record. I want to thank everybody once again for the great efforts that you've put in this semester, and please keep it up. If you have any questions, you want to set something up, you're not quite sure about your module, you want to bat something around with me, let me know. We can possibly meet in person. We could have a Zoom. We can talk over the phone, or we could do it in email. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you online. I hope you have a chance to get outside and enjoy the beautiful, I won't say spring weather today. Yesterday was more spring-like, but it's winter, and we know we're going to get more. But enjoy the weather, and I'll see you online. Bye, everybody.